In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Tutorial for Beginners 2025. Step by step. Start by creating your account at asana.com. Click Get Started, sign up with Google or your email, and enter a workspace name. This can be your company or your own name. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Before building anything, get comfortable with the interface. Home shows a snapshot of your tasks and recent activity. My Tasks is your personal to-do list. All items assigned to you appear there. Projects is where work is organized by topic or team. Inbox is your notification center for updates and comments. And Search helps you quickly find any task, project, or message. Now create your first project. In the left sidebar, click the plus icon for New, choose Project, then Blank Project. Name it. Something like Content Calendar 2025 or Personal Tasks works fine. Pick a layout. List view is great for structured step-by-step work, while board view gives you drag and drop columns for a Kanban style. Click Create Project. Inside your project, add your first task by selecting Add Task. Give it a clear name, then use the right panel to set an assignee, due date, and a concise description. Add subtasks to break down the work and attach any files or links. Think of tasks as your actionable units of work. Keep things tidy with sections. Add section at the top lets you group tasks into buckets, like to do, in progress for review, and done, which creates a simple workflow you can scan at a glance. Use subtasks to break larger efforts down. For example, a task like launch marketing campaign might include writing copy, designing graphics, preparing the ad budget, publishing ads, and reviewing performance. This keeps your main board uncluttered while preserving detail. Switch views to match your needs. List is a straightforward checklist. Board is ideal for moving work through stages. Timeline provides a Gantt-style schedule for long-term planning and is available on paid plans. Calendar shows tasks by date, and dashboard turns progress into charts. Enhance clarity with custom fields. Click Customize, then Add Custom Field, and choose dropdown, number, or text. Add fields like priority, status, budget, platform, or category to standardize how your team tracks work. Automate routine actions with rules under Customize. For example, move tasks to Done when completed, add reminder comments on due dates, notify someone when the assignee changes, or auto-assign new tasks. This reduces manual follow-up. To collaborate, open your project, click Share, and invite teammates by email. They can comment, assign tasks, and update statuses. For requests, create a form under Customize, build your questions, and share the link. Each submission becomes a task. Perfect for client requests, creative submissions, bug reports, or support tickets. Track momentum with the Progress tab, use Dashboard for performance insights, set milestones for major achievements, and, on premium plans, align work to goals. Make My Tasks your daily command center. Organize by today, upcoming, and later to focus your attention. Install the mobile app to complete tasks, comment, review deadlines, upload files, and check notifications on the go. Finally, set a recurring weekly review every Monday. In that task, check overdue items, update statuses, review upcoming deadlines, clean up the board, and plan the week. With these habits, Asana becomes a reliable system you'll trust every day.